All right, in this explainer, we are going to build the ultimate developer's guide. I'm talking a step-by-step breakdown of how you can get free API access to some of the most powerful and popular AI models out there today. I mean, let's be real. It's the question every single builder, tinkerer, and developer is asking. You've got these amazing ideas, but how do you get your hands on those cutting-edge tools without completely breaking the bank?
And yeah, that's really the heart of the problem, isn't it? Just experimenting or prototyping, even running a few small projects, those costs can rack up so surprisingly fast. And honestly, that financial barrier can be the biggest hurdle to real innovation.
But what if that barrier just wasn't there? Well, today, we are going to build your personal toolkit, and we're going to fill it with free API keys from some of the biggest names in AI. Okay, let's dive right in.
So, take a look at this lineup. This is who we're covering today. We're going provider by provider, from giants you know, like NVIDIA and Google, to these specialized powerhouses like Grok and Mistral. By the end of this, you are going to have a whole collection of keys totally ready to go.
First up, let's talk about NVIDIA. They offer a truly massive catalog of models, and they're all available through these free-to-use inference endpoints. Honestly, it's a fantastic starting point for any kind of general experimentation.
And, getting started is incredibly simple. You just pop over to their Explore page, generate a key, pick a model you like, and then click View Code. They give you these ready-to-use snippets for a bunch of languages, so you can literally start building right away. Okay, let's move on to Alama. They have this brilliant new feature that's perfect for anyone who already loves running models on their own machine. They've gone and integrated a free cloud API to totally supercharge your local setup.
Now, what's so cool about this is just how simple it is. Once you create an API key in your settings, all you do is add this little -cloud flag to your usual Alama run command. Just like that, you can access any of their supported cloud models right from your terminal, and they give you a generous 15 hours per week of usage.
Next up, let's talk about a platform you are probably on every single day, GitHub. Turns out it's not just for code anymore. It's become this major hub for accessing models from a huge range of providers all in one convenient spot.
Now, the crucial point to understand here is that access is managed through your GitHub personal access tokens. So you find a model, you click to use it, and it just walks you through creating a new token. And here's a little pro tip for you. Sometimes you might have to click Generate Token twice, and you should always copy it immediately.
I've gotten a lot of questions about how to navigate OpenRouter. It's this fantastic aggregator with hundreds of models. But, finding the free ones can feel a bit like searching for a needle in a haystack if you don't know the trick.
And this really shows you the solution perfectly. After you create your key, just go to the Models section and use the filter to sort by price low to high. It's that simple. That instantly brings all the zero-cost models right to the top. And from there, you just click Quick Start to get your code.
Okay, let's talk about speed. If your application needs the fastest possible response times, I'm talking real-time chatbots, things like that, then Grok is the name you absolutely need to know. Their entire focus is on what they call blazing fast inference.
And they make it so easy. You create a key, you head to their playground to pick a model and copy the code, and you can even track all of your usage right from their dashboard. It's just a very clean, super developer-friendly experience.
All right, moving on to one of the giants, Google AI Studio. This is your direct line to the incredibly powerful Gemini family of models. It's especially great for any project that involves more than just text. Think images, audio, or video.
The process here is, again, super straightforward. From the dashboard, you just create an API key, give it a name, and link it up to a Google Cloud project. Once you hit Generate, that's it. You've got a key that unlocks the entire Gemini family, including the super-fast Gemini Flash.
Next up, we're going to look at two more really high-performance platforms, Cloudflare and Cerebras. Both of them offer some pretty unique strengths for developers who need specialized capabilities.
So here's the key distinction you need to know. Cloudflare is excellent because of its well-organized categories. It makes it really easy to find models for specific tasks, like text generation. Cerebras, on the other hand, is the undisputed champion of massive context windows, with models that can handle up to 1 million tokens. So if you need to summarize a giant document, Cerebras is where you want to go. Of course, this list would not be complete without talking about Mistral AI. They give you direct API access to their own highly regarded Maestro family of models. And their workflow is going to feel very familiar by now. You create a key in the API section, then you just head over to their playground. You can test out the models right there, and when you're ready, the code button gives you ready-made snippets for both TypeScript and Python.
Okay, so you've just collected a wallet that is full of API keys. Now for the really important part, managing them and understanding the limits of each free tier. So let's build a quick cheat sheet.
This slide puts all the most practical info right at your fingertips. It covers everything from where to manage your keys to the specific free tier limits like Cerebrus's 30 queries per minute or Llama's 15 hours per week. This is definitely the one you're going to want to screenshot for later.
Before we wrap this up, I want to put one more name on your radar. It's a newcomer called Talus, and they are making absolutely massive waves in the world of AI inference.
I mean, just look at that number. It is staggering. They hit 17,000 tokens per second by fundamentally changing the whole approach. Instead of running a model on a general-purpose chip, they literally built a Llama 8B model directly into the silicon. This is a potential game changer, so definitely keep an eye on them.
So there you have it, a full toolkit of free API keys giving you access to the world's most advanced AI. That financial barrier? It's gone. The tools are right there in your hands. The only question left is, what are you going to build?